everyone, welcome back to Equipoise Classes. मैं हूं सुरभि and I welcome you all in our Mission CUET 2024 series जहां पे we are aiming to get 100 percentile in our economics domain subject. Part 32 है वीडियो का, यानी आप देख सकते हैं कि 31 वीडियोस ऑलरेडी जा चुकी हैं. Mission CUET 2024 के नाम से we have a playlist where you will find all the videos at one place. So today what we are starting with unit 9 which is current challenges facing Indian economy. And इस particular unit में आपके बहुत सारे chapters आते हैं Indian economic development के. And if we are to talk about, हम poverty से start कर रहे हैं. So every chapter, because there are lot many chapters, so every chapter will have 2 videos. जैसे आज हम poverty start कर रहे हैं, so poverty part 32 and part 33 will be about poverty. Then next, human capital formation, part 34, part 35 will be about human capital formation and so on and so forth. There are lot many chapters and we will keep covering the chapters in a book. Okay, so if you want to know me, you can get to know me and you can read about me, and if you want to know more about me, then I would be very happy to answer in the comment section. Then let's just see my scorecard, CUET scorecard. So this, you can see that this is my scorecard from NTA and I appeared in 2023 as a teacher to see that what I'm teaching to all of you, what I'm giving you all is actually what you need, or we need improvement. So you can see in economics domain subject I score that 100 percentile. That means मैं आपकी scorecard भी बिल्कुल ऐसी बनाऊंगी. So you can trust me and trust the process. Okay. Then what is our agenda? You can see the agenda. Pause and read. And this is the syllabus of part unit 9, current challenges. Poverty है, human capital formation, rural development, employment, infrastructure, sustainable economic development. ये अलग अलग chapters हैं, and every chapter will have 2 videos. You'll get 2 videos from me on every chapter. That means अगर 6 chapters आपको दिख रहे हैं, so you will get 12 videos from me. Okay, then let's just begin. So you can download this syllabus from this particular website, which is cuet.samarth.ac.in. Okay, so let's just move to our first question. अंत्योदय refers to, अब ये एक term है अंत्योदय, इसका मतलब क्या होता है? ठीक है, so ये CUET में as it is question आया हुआ है everybody, and आप देखोगे कि ये question आपको कहाँ मिलेगा. So you will have this, look, see. The pattern of development that the successive 5-year plans envisaged laid emphasis on the upliftment of poorest of poor, that is Antyodaya. So Antyodaya poverty chapter में NCERT ने लिखा है, and Antyodaya का क्या मतलब है? Upliftment of poorest of poor, यानी option number 3. Okay, then let's move to next question. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005 promises dash days 100 days. Okay, the correct answer everybody is 100 days, and you can see NCERT में दिया भी हुआ है कि 100 days in a year minimum. ठीक है, then let's move to next question. In pre-independent India, who was first to discuss the concept of poverty line? अब आपने ना कुछ last to last video में देखा था कि who is the architect of planning, तो हमारा आंसर महालनोबिस था. यहाँ पे देख के कंफ्यूज मत होइएगा. कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ पॉवर्टी लाइन पहले बात की थी दादा भाई नौरोजी ने. ठीक है, आप चैप्टर में देख सकते हैं. इन प्री इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया दादर भाई नौरोजी वाज द फर्स्ट वन टू डिस्कस द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ पॉवर्टी लाइन. एग्जैक्टली इसी लाइन का क्वेश्चन बना दिया गया है. ठीक है, then let's move to the next question. Identify the program that aims at improving food and nutritional status of the poor. फूड एंड न्यूट्रिशनल स्टेटस इंप्रूव करने का कौन सा प्लान बात करता है? रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन, प्रधानमंत्री ग्राम सड़क योजना, मिड डे मील या स्वर्ण जयंती शहरी रोजगार योजना. सो आंसर है मिड डे मील. देख लो कैसे, यहाँ पे एक पैराग्राफ है जहाँ पे दिया है 3 major programs that aim at improving food and nutritional status of the poor are public distribution system, Poshan Abhiyan and midday meal scheme. So midday meal scheme option में था, इसलिए midday meal scheme is the correct answer. Okay, if you have any other comments you can mention in the comment box, and also guys don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Majority of you are watching the video haven't subscribed to the channel. यहाँ तक आया हो वीडियो देखिए, हार्ट इमोजी छोड़ के जाना प्लीज, लाइक करो, शेयर करो, एंड सबने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, वो रेड बटन फटाफट से हिट करो. I'll see you tomorrow everyone with another video of poverty, and till then all the best and keep preparing.